Researchers from Queensland University of Technology, QUT, Australia, have used intersecting light beams to control chemical reactions in an advanced material, paving the way for future use in 3D printers that print entire layers instead of single points at a time. The researchers have published their research in the journal Nature Communications. The researchers said light was a particularly desirable tool for activating chemical processes because of the precision it offered in starting a reaction. This research uses two different colored light beams, and the reaction only occurs where the two beams intersect. The researchers use one color of light to activate one molecule and the second color of light to activate another molecule. And where the two light beams meet, the two activated molecules react to form a solid material. Normally, in a 3D printer, the inkjet moves around in two dimensions, slowly printing one 2D layer before moving up to print another layer on top. But using this technology, we could have a whole two-dimensional sheet activated and print the entire sheet at once.